Hello, and I hope that you are doing well today. This video is intended to give you step-by-step instructions on how to upload documentation for any emerging bilingual scholar who failed for the 6 weeks. We are required, according to our Student Placement Center director, we are required every 6 weeks to provide documentation for scholars who are considered emerging bilingual. We are required to we are required to include instructional accommodations and focus our managing system for any student that has failed for the 6 weeks. So if you would go with me on your handout to step 1, we're going to work through these step-by-step instructions. And then if you need additional support, you're welcome to send me an email so that I can further support you. All right. Okay, so first you want to go to our ClassLink management system. You want to go there first and then look up the student, go to focus, and then you want to look up the student by entering the ID number under the find a student /user in focus. Step 2, now you want to select the student in which you know failed for the 6 weeks. If you are unsure, I'm also emailing you a list of scholars for your particular content that failed for the 6 weeks. Now, step 3, select the EB Instructional Accommodations tab on the left pane of focus. It is right under the demographic that says counselor and dyslexia. So it's right before EB star participation accommodations, and it's in between dyslexia and EB star participation accommodations. All right, step 4. The teacher of record assigned to RLA or English or math is to enter under their designated subject the instructional plan and assign accommodations. So this is where you can select any accommodation that your scholar received from you. And this is your documentation that shows what actions you took to support the scholar prior to them failing for the 6 weeks. All right, step 5. It's on page 2 of your handout. Once accommodation data has been entered, the teacher must enter their full first and last name under the teacher's signature field and save. Once your documentation has been entered to focus, as an LPAC committee, we must meet and then review the data. The LPAC chairperson is to enter the first and last name. Are you fine? Under the LPAC signature field and then save. Once you have completed your steps, then I'll be able to submit the documentation for our campus. If you have any further questions, please send me an email so I can designate one-on-one time to meet with you and support you. Remember, you have your handout as well.